What's up, everybody? It's your boy. Welcome you up in Dehlia's place. Well, today is going to be my space up in Dehlia's place. Yeah. We are here setting up to do some videos, but I'm sure you guys know that the hair have to look good. You know, the face have to look good. The smile have to look right. So I'm just basically going to show you guys how I style my hair. There is no chemical in my hair, nothing at all. And I'm basically going to use like two products. I'm a brush. The Contour Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. Alright, there you go. That's the Contour cream. And some olive oil. Simple and easy. Alright. So those are what I'm going to use. As you can see, my hair is all natural. Yeah. I'm going to wash it, apply those two products, show you how to apply it actually, and then you guys will see the outcome and then you tell me how it looks. You would comment below, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, wash my hair now, come back, rub it up, and then we'll see how it comes out, yeah? So as you can see, hair has been washed. It's wet. It is so wet. Alright, so what you want to do is to ensure that when you're applying the contour cream, that the hair is still wet. Right? So you want to take out a generous amount, about this much. Right? And you rub it up. And then you apply it. Right? I like to dab it back first. Like this. And then I rub it. Ensure that you rub it in one direction. So if you rub to the right, you just rub to the right. Right? I normally use the right hand for the top or the front. Right? And then the left hand for the back. That's my weird thing to do. Right? So you want to rub it. It will take a time. It will take a time to dissipate. It will leave a white looking color in your hair. Right? But you give it like 5 minutes and it will clear up and leave your hair looking all curly and nice. You get me? You want to rub it out evenly. Right? And you rub it in one direction so as to catch the curls. Alright, so I think I can leave it at that. Spray some olive oil in there. The olive oil is really for the sheen. Right? Gives it a nice sheen along with the curls. You don't want anything more than that. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it in. Woo. And then I'm just going to neat up the sides. Basically that's it. What I'm going to do now is to leave it for about 5 minutes and let the cream settle in and dissipate. Let it clear up. Alright? So that's what's up, guys. This is it. Here you have it. Never know say a black man could be so naturally curly, huh? Quick and easy hairstyle. As you can see, I'm sporting my gym necklace. It's a lion with a dumbbell in his mouth. You know, I take it that the lion is indicative of when I go beast mode, and of course the dumbbell represents the gym. You have to really be a gym addict to sport these things, yeah? But if you do want one, the link will be in the description box.